Hello, esteemed colleges and aspiring aerospace engineers. Ready to elevate your engineering skills to new heights? Rocketeers brings you our Advanced Model Rocketry Workshop, a groundbreaking initiative designed to align perfectly with academic standards. A 3-day comprehensive, hands-on learning experience that transcends traditional classroom boundaries. We delve into everything from aerodynamics and propulsion to stability and design, offering your students the chance to learn, build, design, and launch their very own model rockets. Students learn rigorous theoretical concepts and apply them practically to the rockets they build. Thus, they see physics and math in action. This immersive experience makes them absorb and understand these concepts much more efficiently. It combines the rigors of engineering with the thrill of launching actual rockets. Consider this program a professional goldmine. It's an opportunity to enrich your teaching methods and add a dynamic, interactive module to your curriculum. Rocketeers has been conducting model rocketry workshops all over India since 7 years. We boast of ISRO being a client with their Yuvika program, where students selected from all over the country get an opportunity to attend our workshops and fly the rockets. We are more than just a workshop. We are a movement, a community that dreams big, inspiring your students to aim for the stars. Ready to elevate your college's STEM curriculum? Rocketeers is your launchpad. Prepare to take off and propel your educational journey to the next level.